Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Maske, or you can call me Miss Q. Okay, our topic for today is about 7 ways to improve your relationship with your partner. It's either you're a girl or you're a man. Sa panahon kasi ngayon, marami tayong mga kababayan na hindi alam kung paano nila papahalagahan yung mga relasyon nila at kung paano aalagaan para magkaroon ng isang maayos, tahimik at masayang relasyon. Okay, guys, I'll give you some tips. It's 7 tips to improve your relationship with your partner. Here's our number 1 tip is spend quality time together. Make sure each other despite busy schedule. Love grows in shared moments. Ibig sabihin, kailangan kahit gaano pa ka-busy kayong dalawa ng partner mo, kailangan magkaroon pa rin kayo ng time para sa isa't isa. Kasi may mga taong, sobrang busy nila sa work nila, pagdating nila sa bahay, sobrang pagod na sila at wala na silang time para, you know, asikasuhin yung mga partner nila, especially yung parehong nagtatrabaho. Kasi before, mga una-una, old school style, like man should provide for their woman. But I think this nowadays, I don't think so. Most of us women help men for financial um, growth in our family. Kailangan nagtutulungan ang bawat isa para, yung pamilyang pangarap nila mabuo. Kaso dahil sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, marami sa ating mga Pilipino or hindi lang Pilipino, kahit saan sa buong mundo ang you know, nag ah, nagkakaproblema sa mga relasyon nila kasi unang-una sa lahat importante kasi yung quality time, Kahit anong gaano tayo ka-busy, importanteng naglalaan tayo ng oras para sa mga partner natin. Kahit tanungin man lang natin, kumusta ba sila sa mga work nila? Okay lang ba sila? Kumain na ba sila? May problema ba sila? Um, yung 1 hour talk with, hindi ko naman sinabi na kailangan ang mag-partner intimately lang sila nagkakaroon ng communication. Hindi dapat gano'n. Kailangan may, peace talk kayong dalawa every day to talk about what's happened with your day. So, um, just in case one of you have problem in their, job or what happened to their day, at least one of you can comfort each other. That's how your relationship gonna work. Make sure your partner are feel love, feel understand, feel protected, and safe. Okay? Tandaan natin yan. Huwag natin kakalimutan na kailangan araw-araw may time tayo para sa partner natin. Tanungin natin kung kumusta yung mga araw nila, kung okay lang ba sila, or kung may problema ba sila. Okay? Okay. At number 2,